This thumbnail generator is insane.
And just like that, you can create these beautiful thumbnails, guys. And hi there, my name is Daniel, and today I'm going to show you an app created in AI Studio that can help you create these beautiful thumbnails. Check it out, guys. I'll even refresh this page. So I'm going to show you just how simple this whole process is. So we can choose a style, visual or clean or minimal, gaming style. Let's go for educational, for example. Here we can choose a title. I'm going to choose the exact same as it was even before, right? Pro thumbnails fast. So pro thumbnails fast, for example. I'm choosing a title. If I want, I can let the system auto-enhance for me everything. I'm just going to show you right here. But also if I want, I can put everything myself. So for this case scenario, I'm just going to even keep it as it is. I'm going to put an image of myself here. I'm selecting if it's subject, which is me, basically. This is my picture right here. And for the style, I'm going to just put another image for reference. And here I'm going to choose style. If you want background, you can also add background. And then press on generate thumbnail based on the visual style and also based on the title, hook, and also the visual description, it will generate that thumbnail in 30 seconds, guys. It's very simple. Also, this app is free. It's there. It's made in AI Studio. I'm going to share the link inside this full community, so check it out. Just make a copy and, yep, create thumbnail, guys. Quite easy and simple. Of course, you can edit. You can make them better. You can even make this whole app better because here you have a chat, right, of AI where you can just do some vibe coding and even make it, update it, etc. and so on. And look at that. Pro thumbnail fast, but educational, this one sucks. Because here the visual tile, I don't think is corresponding here. So imagine if I want to change here to bold and dramatic. Here, I'm just going to put maybe, let's say, the 30 second seconds workflow, right? For example, I'll even remove the description. The exact same thing. I'm going to put here just bold and dramatic. I'm going to press on generate thumbnail, and like that, I can generate just another version from a different style perspective, right? Based on the specific visual style. So you can do the same. You can try, okay, you don't want, you can either regenerate, you can either put your own hooks or your own subtext or your visual description. You can auto enhance with AI if you want to, if you're lazy also. But yeah, it creates these beautiful thumbnails. And in just in a bit, guys, I'm going to show you how you also can set up this whole system, this whole workflow in less than 30 seconds also. It's that easy to set up here. There's no written workflows inside. It's just pure and AI Studio. And look at this, Pro Thumbnails Fast, the 30 seconds workflow. Wow. Okay, here we have duplicated text, but of course we can easily fix that. And we can even regenerate if we really want to. And with that, you can just put, you can edit, you can download, you can continue somewhere else if you want. I'll even try a different style. For example, I'm going to put here just picture, subject, right? Here I'm going to put um, how to enjoy your trip to Hawaii, for example, right? I'm going to press on auto enhance. Now the AI will try to boom, do this thing, ultimate Hawaii guide. I put my picture right here, bold dramatic. Here I can choose maybe vlog, lifestyle, right? Because this is the theme itself. And after it will finish generating this image, you're going to see just the total different style of generating these images. And look at this. Wow, love it. I'm going to put this as A/B testing, guys. If you see this, it's from this. It's just perfect, right? I'll generate another thumbnail basically from a different theme, which is a vlog style, ultimate Hawaii guide. Don't miss these spots, right? This sort of thumbnail. From traveling perspective, because now imagine maybe you have agencies that are making videos, right? Or maybe you have your own personal channels and you want to generate thumbnails based on different styles. And also, if you want to have your own custom style, you can easily just vibe code it here in AI Studio because it's that simple, guys. So yeah, as you can see, it takes around 30 seconds to generate the thumbnails. Boom. Wow, ultimate Hawaii guide. Don't miss these spots. Look at that. It doesn't look like me, by the way, that much. So I can work on that. Maybe again, I can generate. But you get the point, right? You can even put the style there. You can put, hey, followed more the facial expressions. You can put just here in the description. It will do that, guys. I'll even download this just for reference. But yeah, this is the whole workflow and how exactly it works. I'm going to show you an example of how you can just make a copy of this specific application. So there's this share public link, right? I'm just going to make a copy of this. Boom. So you're going to have a copy of this link inside my school. I'm going to just make a post after this video. So I'm going to make it here. For example, you're going to have access to this link. If it's not available in your country, it means you need either a VPN or you need to move somewhere that it is available in your country. You will need to set up your own Gemini API key here. So when you want to put it here, it will ask for you, hey, you need to put your Gemini API key, like it's literally your API key, right? So for this case scenario, you're going to go just to aistudio.google.com right here. You're going to go to get API key. You're going to create an API key if you don't have any, and then you just copy that API key. I'm going to just copy this. You go back and you insert it here. That's the whole thing you need to do. And afterwards, you just press on here, copy app. As soon as you're going to copy an app, press on save. And that's how you import this whole system inside your own AI studio, build, and then you can straight away use it. So just now made a copy of this town gen, and now let's give it a run. So here, let's think about the topic. Okay, even though it's shocking truth. For example, right, I'm going to press on Auto Enhance, bold and dramatic. It'll be very dramatic. Let's see how dramatic it can be. And I'll put again a picture of myself right here. I chose as a subject. If you also can choose, of course, a style. It's up to you guys. I'm going to even, yeah, generate thumbnail. That's it. The one thing they never told you. And my picture, and yeah, it's generating right now the thumbnail as I speak. So let's see. Oh, something happened there. Auto fix. Let's see. It does wonders. It saves a lot of time if you want just to generate, let's say, thumbnails for your A/B testing, like for YouTube. Also, if you want, you can just generate maybe three at once. If you can just put here in the chat in AI Studio, like, hey, I want to have three thumbnails generated for ABC. I think that will be a nice addition. Maybe we can do it after making a copy of this app. But I'm just showing you like the possibilities how also you can evolve this app, this thumbnail generator, because it does wonders. You've seen just the thumbnails it generated. It's quite nice. So yeah, there was some error right now, just now occurred. I just pressed an auto fix, so Mr. Gemini will fix the error. Afterwards, we're going to try generating once again with a shocking truth, but the one thing they never told you about thumbnails. So yeah, let's wait just for a bit, and then we will proceed. I think it's almost finished. Okay, still not. Yeah. But now, as you can see, he is checking the code of this application. And guys, as mentioned before, any modification, because I'm just killing right now time until Mr. Gemini is fixing this error after I copy the application. So maybe in future, if it's, let's say this is outdated, perhaps, etc., and so on, just for information, hey, if any, or in general, you make any changes, and if any error pops up, just press an auto fix, or just check, like, hey, with Gemini there, hey, there's this error, help me fix this part. You can even yeah, I mean, it's very simple to set up, to fix, to update, to make it better. Like if you want to have maybe three thumbnails popped up all at once, I think that is also very possible. You can just download and you can just straight away put it for your YouTube videos, same as I am doing right now. I generated just a few. I'm just gonna put all of them right there. Now if you finish your job, here you have, okay, select API key. No, that was important. You select your API key that you will put here. I'm gonna just put now Banana Pro because I already have one, and that's done. So shocking truth right here. Auto enhance the prompt. I will choose a picture. Oh, not from here. I have a folder. I'm going to put a picture of myself right here as the subject, and I'm going to press on generate thumbnail. It took me how long? Maybe like 15 seconds, right? Then the generation takes 30 seconds, and totally, you can say even in less than 1 minute, you have the whole process done. Of course, if you want to have your own visual description, maybe you can discuss it with your ChatGPT or other Gemini. If you want to have specific descriptions, you can also just change it. Also, if you want to have a specific style, most of the time, you can easily vibe code it here inside the AI chat, guys. And that's the beauty about it. Oh, wow. Shocking truth, guys. I'll be on that. The secret they didn't want you to know. Oh, beautiful. This is a beautiful thumbnail. Wow, wow, wow. I will even download this for reference. Beautiful. And I'm going to have here. Wow. I don't even need to add anything here. That's exactly. Wow. I love it. So yeah, everyone, this application will be available down in the description. Just join the school. They're going to be the post. Make a copy. Create as many thumbnails as you want. You can make this application better. I'll also make myself also bigger so you can see the shocking truth right there. So yeah, this is the YouTube thumbnail generation application. It's made fully in AI Studio. My future plan is maybe to make a cloud code version of it because cloud code now is super hyped and everything, so I think it'll be very fun to create this process also there. But so far, please play with it, try to make some beautiful thumbnails, and guys, yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Drop a like, comment. Ciao, bye.